Hello there, welcome back to the EndlessFoodPot channel. Today we are diving into the world of spicy delights with a mouth-watering recipe Chole Bhature, completely Delhi style. So let's roll up our sleeves and embark on this flavorful journey together. Let's start our journey by making pickled chili. Start by slicing 3 green chilies as shown in the video. Sprinkle them with half a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of crushed yellow mustard seeds. Then pour in a tablespoon of vinegar and 2 teaspoons of oil. Allow the mixture to marinate until the chilies acquire a tangy zest. Now let's make our chole. Prepare a spice packet by layering a washed damp cotton cloth with 2 green cardamoms, 2 black cardamoms, a star anise, 3 cloves, 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon of tea powder and 3 to 5 dried amla. Tie the cloth of spices into a bundle as shown in the video. In a pressure cooker, combine soaked Kabuli chickpeas, enough water to cover, and the spice packet. Pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Once done, remove the spice packet and reveal the aromatic perfectly cooked chole. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once oil heats up, add 1 spoon of carom seeds, finely chopped ginger. Let it fry for a while and then add onion. Add a pinch of salt in it so that it cooks well. Add finely chopped garlic and fry until it turns golden brown. After that, add a pinch of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Mix for another half minute so that the spices can fry in the oil for a while. Add tomato puree made from 3 tomatoes. Salt as per taste. Now add 1 tablespoon chole masala and a half teaspoon sugar so that all spices can be balanced. Cook until the mixture leaves oil. When your mixture starts releasing oil, then add boiled chickpeas along with its water. Cook on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Adjust consistency with water if necessary. Cook for some time. Then press the chickpeas to thicken the gravy. Finally sprinkle 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and chopped coriander. Our chole is ready. Now let's make bhatura. In a bowl, mix 2 cups refined wheat flour, half tablespoon of instant yeast, salt as per taste and 3 teaspoons sugar. Knead a soft dough by adding water as required. Apply oil on the dough and leave it for 1 to 2 hours until it doubles in size. Heat oil in a pan for frying. Apply some oil to your hand. Take some dough and make a ball. Then roll that ball and turn it into bhatura. Put it in the oil and fry it to the both sides until it turns golden brown. Now let's prepare our fried potatoes. Fry roughly cut potatoes until they turn golden brown. Take out in a bowl, salt as per your taste, a pinch of dry red chili powder, a pinch of coriander powder, a pinch of turmeric and a pinch of chaat masala. Toss to coat evenly. Now that our culinary adventures have reached its peak, plate up these delicious dishes and get ready to enjoy the flavors. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking!